Good morning everyone and welcome to Vlogmas Day 21. Today's video I am just taking you guys into a day in my life at home on winter/Christmas break. I woke up this morning and decided to share with you guys what my Christmas tree looks like and what I do on the normal when break is out. So normally what I do is wake up, turn my Christmas tree on since it is still cold outside and still dark outside when I wake up at 6:30. I go ahead and light a candle to get the house smelling really good. So I am using a Woodland Path candle. I also go ahead and update all 4 of our countdown calendars around the house, so this is one of them. I also got that new mug from my student, so I did go ahead and get ready to make me some coffee with it. And so I am using the vanilla coffee creamer, and I'm putting in some fresh water for my coffee this morning. On break, I do try to alternate drinking coffee and drinking milk. Coffee normally sometimes does not hit the belly the correct way, and so what I wanted to do was alternate and see what the difference is when I drink hot coffee versus cold coffee with my ingredients. So our elves are at our house this year, and they definitely keep my kiddos on their toes. So I am also editing for my other channel, and so normally what I've been doing since school has been out is editing and filming for Vlogmas. I also have passed my math classes, so therefore I am right now on a school break. So I'm showing you guys what I'm fixing for breakfast. So I am fixing some Libby's sausage gravy, which is amazing. I love to have it with some good old butter style biscuits from Kroger or Food Lion, and just to have this instead of having to try and make it myself because I would not make it. So later on in the day, the kids and I just made a couple different things. So me and Sky made some hot cocoa bombs together. Eventually they turned out really cute. We tried this last year when we had a 2-hour delay, and they turned out okay, but it is what it is. So I got this gift at a white elephant party on Friday through work, and it is really cute. I didn't realize that it came with the jet puffed mini marshmallows and another silicone mold. So I have some hot chocolate here that we can use from home since it does not come in the box. Once we get those molds out, I'm then going to get Sky to fill them with the hot chocolate and the little mini marshmallows. I am melting each side of the melted chocolate ball molds, and I'm just sticking them in here for greater quality because if I don't, they really won't stick together. So she's putting in the hot cocoa and the little mini marshmallows, and then eventually we're going to seal them just like this and then sprinkle a little extra stuff on top. Hopefully tomorrow she'll wake up and asked for one of those. I then went ahead and fixed my kids some lunch for the day, which is Sloppy Joe, and we served those on just a hamburger bun. Most of the time we like to do mini sliders. Meanwhile, I'm just here getting ready to make my kiddos some cookies for after lunch and later. They are called Christmas Trash. So I will just show you guys the ending result and put the recipe on the screen. But I'll also try my best to put it in the description box down below, or I just might put the website where I found it. So these are Christmas Trash cookies. These are simply made from a few different ingredients, such as salted butter, light brown sugar, white sugar, 2 egg yolks, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1.5 cups of purpose flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt, half a cup of red and green M&Ms, and then of course 1/3 cup of white chocolate chips, 1/3 cup of pretzel pieces, 1/3 cup of potato chip pieces, and then 2 tablespoons of red and green jimmies. So these are going to go into the oven for 10 minutes, and I'll show you guys what they look like when they come out. All right, and there they are, kitchen sink Christmas cookies. I hope that you all have enjoyed seeing what it's really like for a teacher's assistant. A day in my life at home doing completely nothing but baking, making, and sitting around. So I hope that you all have enjoyed the video. If you have, give it a thumbs up. And you see that button down below? It's called the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit it on your way out.